So in this quick video, I'm just going to walk through RankMath and its use with BeaverBuilder. RankMath is a SEO plugin for WordPress, and it's a pretty new kid on the block, but it's quickly gained a reputation as one of the best SEO plugins with a lot of features that you can utilize and access. So we're going to go through this and just show you some quick stuff on how to use RankMath. It's not going to be a full instructional video, so let's just go get started. I have right here a post that started, and it's going to be the topic of this video, which is how to SEO optimize your posts with RankMath and BeaverBuilder. So I'm just starting out. This is brand new. I've got no content here. And I'm in the WordPress editor. Now I'm actually in a lesson here with LearnDash, but this same type of thing will apply whether you're editing a page or editing a post. It's the same concept. I'm just using LearnDash here because I'm going to put this in as a lesson. In the upper right corner here, when you're in the backend WordPress editor, you'll see the panel for RankMath. And you have a little score, and you can see I'm scoring right now pretty low. I'm scoring 5 out of 100. So how do you get to this panel? How do you start using RankMath? You just simply click on this, and when you click on it, it brings up the RankMath panel. And the RankMath panel has a number of different things. I'm just going to walk through it here. This is a preview of what will show on the search engines. This is the area where you enter in your focus keywords. You can specify this as pillar content. I'm not going to go into pillar content right now, but if you have a post or normally a page that is a significant page on your website that you want to establish as one of your pillars, then you mark it as pillar content. And then down here is we have 4 different sections, and you'll notice there's errors in each one of these. Each one of these sections can be expanded just by clicking on it. And then it gives you a varying number of checklist items in this section. And the checklist items will depend upon how much you've done for your SEO and what's remaining to do. So the way I'm looking at it here is I've just started. I've put in a title here. You don't really need to put in a title, but the first thing I'm going to do is do a quick focus keyword research on this. So if you've already done keyword research, and I'm not going to go into all of the stuff on keyword research, but this is a quick little tool to get you in the ballpark for it, and certainly better than not doing any type of keyword research. Since I know my post or my lesson here is going to be about SEO, I can go and just simply type in a keyword, and I'll just say SEO optimize. Now, if you have the pro version, you're going to have a little symbol over here, a chart. And by clicking this chart, it can drop me into a trends analyzer, and this is pulling from Google Trends, and it's showing the search trends for, in this case, the past 30 days, but I could go out to say the past 12 months and see what my search interest has been for this term. RankMath actually allows you to put in up to 5 different terms that you can use for keywords, which is a great thing because I've used other SEO plugins and they only allow you to optimize for one keyword, and it gets a little bit frustrating with that. So in this case, I'm going to, I know it's going to be with RankMath, so I'm going to type in RankMath and let's see what we get with that. So RankMath I'm expecting is going to be quite a bit lower, but it's a search term that I want to have included here. And sure enough, you'll see RankMath is quite a bit lower. I've got another search term, and I'm going to try I'm going to go back to looking at search optimization maybe. So what I'm trying to do is just get an idea here. Since I have not done actual keyword research, I'm using this to give me an idea of my keywords. So here we see search optimization is obviously getting a lot more traffic and a lot more search interest than what SEO optimize is. I can try SEO optimization. It's roughly the same. It might be a little bit more consistent than SEO optimized, but in reality, the search engines are going to look and see SEO optimization and SEO optimize is basically the same keyword. So let's say that those are the ones I wanted to use. I can then click close and use, and you'll see that those keywords are now populated over here. SEO optimized, RankMath. One of them has got a star and a different color, and then you have your other ones here. So the one with the star, which happens to be at this point in time with RankMath, is the first keyword in your list. And you don't really have a way to reorganize that. Hopefully they'll change that at some point, but right now it's just simply the first word in your list. That's your primary keyword. Your focus keyword can change depending upon which one you click on. So if I click on search optimization, first of all, let me expand this. You'll see that I've got some green check marks here now under basic. It says I've used the focus keyword in the SEO title. So what is my focus keyword? SEO optimized. And guess what? Right here is SEO optimized. It's got the focus keywords used in the URL. So if I went and looked at my URL, it would have that in there. You can change your focus keyword by simply clicking on one of these keywords. So now you'll notice that RankMath is the darker color here. So my primary keyword is still SEO optimized. That's my main primary keyword, but my focus keyword in this case now is RankMath. And you'll see down here now, things have changed. If I go into basic, the focus keyword doesn't appear in the content. Well, I don't have any content yet, and the content should be 600 to 2,500 words long. So it changes depending upon what you click on here for your focus keyword. It's also going to look for focus keyword in the title and everything. So if we go back to my chart here, if you remember, search optimization was really the biggest traffic getter in this simple keyword search algorithm. Search optimization. I would like that to be my keyword, and then I'm going to add in other ones. So what I'll do is I'm just going to click this and delete RankMath, and now you'll see search optimization is the first keyword in the list. Again, hopefully they'll come up with a way to reorganize that so you don't have to delete it, but now it's the first one in the list. So now I can go back in here and I'm going to add in other ones. So I've got SEO optimization. What else is a primary thing here? RankMath is a primary thing, and BeaverBuilder is primary. So, that's what I'm writing about. I'm writing about search optimization, SEO optimization. I'm writing about RankMath. I'm writing about BeaverBuilder. So I'm going to close and I'm going to use those keywords, and you'll see now I've got search optimization here as my primary, but I can select others to be my focus when I'm optimizing. So then, speaking of optimizing, This is the kind of path that I'd like you to follow. We've put in a temporary title, we've picked some keywords, and now the thing to do is just go and add some content. Write your content, get yourself some value added, and see where your content takes you. It could be while you're writing your content that it goes in a different way or a different direction than what you originally anticipated. So therefore, you'll wind up coming back and maybe adjusting your keywords or adjusting your title. So I'm going to go and add some content, and then we'll be back. Okay, so now we have added a little bit of content to the post. You can see that content right here. This is going to be a post that eventually will be live. But I've used PowerPack, and I've actually used the how-to module, which adds schema to the post. So not too much content in there so far, but let's jump over and look to see how things have turned out. You'll notice that I'm now sitting at 21 out of 100 on the RankMath score. You may not recall that my score down here was something like 6 out of 100 before. So I've increased it to 21 out of 100. My preview here is changed. And if we go down and we look at some of these checklist items, you'll see some of them are now green. I've got the focus keyword. If I collapse this and go down to one of these other sections down here, you'll see my content readability is all good. If I expand that, you can see that I'm using table of contents. That's one of the benefits of using, say, PowerPack in BeaverBuilder, is it automatically marks the schema up so that it helps in the SEO. And I can see several things here. One of the things I do want to show you here is if I go to my basic SEO, I have my primary keyword, which is search optimization, and it's also highlighted right now. So it's the focus. So again, you can see it says the focus keyword does not appear in the SEO title. Well, if I look at my SEO title up here, it does not have search optimization in it. And focus keyword not found in the URL, focus keyword not found in your SEO meta description. If I change my focus keyword by clicking on one of these, let's say RankMath, I'll click on RankMath, you'll notice that under the basic SEO, things have changed a little bit because now RankMath is my focus keyword. It's not my primary. Here's my primary, but RankMath is now the keyword I'm focusing on. And that keyword is found in my content. So if I looked at my content over here someplace, you're going to find, well, here's RankMath right here. So that's saying that that keyword's in the content. It's saying my content is a little bit short, which I know it is. I'm going to be adding more. So let's go back to making search optimization, my primary keyword and my focus keyword. And there's a lot I can do here. But these first three items, the SEO title, the meta description, and the URL, can all be done by editing the snippet. So just go up, edit the snippet, and here, what you're going to see is a preview of how things might look in a search engine result page. It's got the title, which is pulling from the title of the post. So you'll see down here, I've got these variables. Percent title percent means that it's going to put the title of the post, how to SEO optimize posts with RankMath. Then it's going to put percent separator percent, which is the separator character, which is probably a dash. And then it's going to put your site name. So for me, it would be EntreTools. And it's saying it's a little bit long. I've got 70 characters, and it should be a max of like 60 characters. And I can drop this down and do different variables, or I can type in something like this is how to SEO optimize, and it will show that literal. So that's how you can change your title. You can change your permalink from here also, and you can edit your description. And this I would definitely edit, because what's happening is it's going through the content, and basically it's probably going to look at the very first, couple paragraphs and try to pull out some information. Well, if you look at this title, RankMath is accessed from the WordPress backend editor. Unfortunately, at this time, RankMath, blah, blah, blah. That's not a very good description to have showing as the description to show in a search result. So I'm going to, go through here and properly put in a description. I could say something like RankMath is a highly respected WordPress plugin used for search optimizing your content. Here's how to use it with BeaverBuilder. So maybe something like that, and you can see then it shows up there. And if I just close this, and then it's automatically saved, I close it, you can see RankMath is a highly respected WordPress plugin. And did anything change down here? Oh, the focus keyword not found in your SEO meta description. So I'm going to go back. My focus keyword is search optimization. So I'm going to edit this again to improve your content. All right, so then we'll close this. And now you'll see this is green. Focus keyword used inside the SEO meta description. So that's a brief overview of this. I hope you found it helpful. Again, this was just meant as well, it turned out to be not too brief, but hopefully I gave you enough information that you can then just keep going through each one of these items, each one of these checklist items, try to turn them green, select one of your other focus or make another keyword focused, and then try to go through and optimize for that, then do another one and optimize for that, because each one of these keywords are all related to your topic. And the more you have optimized, the more the search engines are going to be able to understand your content and try to drive organic traffic to you.